you should know that the 4 combinations are possible. What are the 4 combinations? Natural active immunity, natural passive immunity, artificial active immunity, artificial passive immunity. Natural and active immunity, that is seen in what? Suppose some infection happens to you by the natural way, and what the body produces against it? The antibodies. So that is a typical example of what? Natural active immunity. First point. Second point is natural passive. Means the root is natural, but the body have not done anything against. So that is passive in this particular case. So natural passive is the gift. Gift from whom? Gift from mother. So mother to child transfers of immunoglobulin through the placenta is a classical example of what? Natural passive immunity. Fine. Then we have artificial active, means not the natural infection. Vaccination you have given to somebody, and that vaccination have induced of what? Antibodies. So that is a typical example of what? It is a typical example of artificial active immunity. It is a typical example of what, guys? Artificial active immunity. Then you have artificial passive. Okay. Artificial passive is what? When you don't have the time. When you don't have the time to produce the antibodies. So you need what? Ready-made antibodies. And ready-made antibodies are what, guys? Immunoglobulins. And what is there in the immunoglobulins? Ready-made stuff. Immediately you want to give them, because if you don't give immediately, the disease will happen. So immunoglobulins are available for which all diseases? You can remember that by a mnemonic, RHTDM. And what is RHTDM? Rabies immunoglobulin, okay, hepatitis B and A immunoglobulin, tetanus immunoglobulin, diphtheria immunoglobulin, and that is measles also is having a ready-made immunoglobulin. Along with that, if you want to know more, varicella zoster, that is for the chickenpox also, we have a immunoglobulin. So how to remember? Remember like this. See which movie? RHTDM. Okay, a wonderful movie you should also see. So see RHTDM, that is what is the mnemonic for which fellows? For those which have ready-made immunoglobulins available for them. Again I am telling up: rabies, hepatitis B and A, diphtheria, tetanus, measles, and the C, that is chickenpox. Chickenpox is also termed as what? Varicella zoster immunoglobulins.